Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna be installing the electric device holder for the Can-Am Outlander or the Renegade. Apparently that's a pretty old device that Can-Am have, but never heard about it, and it looks like a pretty nice thing to hold your phone and your wallet on the trails. It's also a storage, and it goes on the front of your dashboard. So you just take it off, disconnect your speedometer, your dash basically, yeah, and that's it. So the only tools that you actually need for that, from what I saw, is the rivet thingy. You're getting the rivet from Can-Am in the box, and you need a drill. Okay, so that should be pretty simple. So we have 2 holes here and 2 holes on the sides. Yeah, and should be straightforward to install. So I'm gonna center that and just mark the holes. Just marking. And now I'm gonna drill those. Hole should be big enough to hold the rivets. Just be careful here not to drill into your dash. Yeah, and voila, that's on. Okay, so next step is to put this top of this. So we want to insert this inside. Maybe I need bigger holes. Let's see. Yeah, I do need the big holes. Okay, so let's try one bigger. I'm gonna go with this one. Should be bigger. Nope. Yeah, so that's gonna be number 13. Let's try that. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Okay, awesome. Let's put it aside. Okay, so we have the rivet and we have, well, it's how it's called. Not whatever. You just insert in. Put this one behind of it. Pull in rivet. Just snap. That's it. One done. Well, let's do the next one. Oops. Oopsie daisy. this one. Nice. Those two. And now we need to do one on the side. So again, insert. Let's put the other one as well. Cool. Okay, so now I want to use this one, tuck it behind. We need two hands for that. That one is done. Same thing for this one. Put the fucking nut. Squeeze her. Squeeze, baby, squeeze. Ah. Come on, bud. Nice. Okay. Look at that. Freaking OEM. That's awesome. And you have now extra storage for your keys when you go on the trails, right? Put your wallet, close it, and it's basically a snorkeling setup. That's nice. Let's put the phone. Okay, so you can play with it. How tight you want it. Okay, and you have also the phone for the trails. That's nice, boys. Cool. Let's take it out. And yeah, let's put it on the bike. Let's do it together, guys. So I'm gonna plug it back. Let's see. I'll go like that. Okay. Okay, and let's see how it goes. Don't have my seat. Cool. Get your phone. Ta-da! You're ready to go. Nice. That's pretty nice, Can-Am. Okay. Okay, guys, if that helped you, I think that's a pretty nice add-on for your bike. If you go on the trails or whatever, just to have you don't have snorkels. I think that can be pretty nice for your front storage. too heavy phone and everything here. Not worrying it's banging somewhere. That's actually a nice add-on to your bike. Anyways, if you like the video, want to see more, just subscribe, smash that thumbnail, the thumbs up, whatever it's called, notification. Just do your thing, guys. And yeah, see you in the next one.